First, I am confused.
I wish I
ABC News.
were one of the worst, most fake, most corrupt.
Oh, I'm scared.
You know why? Because it's AI generated.
Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Zing International, Zingabad's weekly international show. A lot happening in the world, and this was the second week of the war. Iran-Israel-US war. Guys, it's a big deal. Well, आप सोच रहे होंगे कि हम तो हर रोज आ रहे थे. Why weekly now? Multiple reasons. First, I am confused. And this man is the reason behind that. His press conferences are always, I can't tell you anything.
Well, I can't say yes.
Followed immediately by the GPS coordinates are 35.6, 51.3, and we killed a guy named Bob. A great guy, but had to go.
As far as I'm concerned, we've essentially defeated Iran. We've taken out their air forces, we've taken out their navy, we've taken out their air defense.
Seriously, Trump uncle? अगर आप देश के सीक्रेट्स ऐसे सेव करते हैं, then I would hate to see you after a glass of wine. 4 बजे के बाद तो आप लॉन्च कोड्स ट्वीट कर रहे होंगे just to prove they are the best numbers anyone has ever seen. Look at these codes, folks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Beautiful digits. Nobody has better digits than me. Yeah, I mean, why not? He can do it. Right? Okay, let me tell you. Joe Kent, Trump's director of the National Counterterrorism Center, resigned from his post. And he wrote, I cannot in good conscience support that ongoing war in Iran. Iran posed no imminent threat to our nation. Mr. President, do you have anything to say about it?
Well, I read his statement. I always thought he was a nice guy, but I always thought he was weak on security, very weak on security.
But you appointed him. He was the MAGA guy. You see his confusion level? Okay, let's do that again. Mr. Trump, are we in the war?
This is a short excursion.
Do we want to get into a war?
No, we don't want to fight war.
Okay, so it's an excursion, not a war. Like a small one, and we don't want to fight. Now I'm clear.
Winning the war by a lot. We've decimated their whole evil empire.
Are you mad? It's a war or it's an excursion?
Well, it's both. It's an excursion that will.
This man is... Well, as many of you know, war is a God's way of teaching Americans geography. Let me help them better. I give you the Strait of Hormuz. Of course, Gen Z will tell you, no, Hormuz is 100% straight. But it's a passageway choke point for 20% of the world's oil. Kind of a lazy river for fossil fuels, not to be confused with the strategic Iranian island of Kurg, which America also attacked. Anyway, General Dan Kane warned President Trump that Iran could close the Strait of Hormuz. President Trump acknowledged the risk but told his team that Tehran would likely capitulate. Oh, would they? Who would have thought that a guy who looks up at the solar eclipse like this three times without glasses would ignore a warning? उन्हें तो सन ने वार्निंग दी थी, डोंट लुक. उन्होंने तब नहीं मानी, तो वो जनरल डैन केन कौन ही है? अब जब ऑयल सप्लाई रुक गई है और प्राइसेस बढ़ गए, तो लोगों ने पूछा, सर व्हाट नाउ? He said, these ships got to go through the Strait of Hormuz and show some guts. Show some guts? Captain, I know you may not want to sail the slowest moving vehicle on the earth, packed with the most flammable liquid on earth, through the most active war zone on earth. लेकिन थोड़ा गट्स दिखाओ. कैप्टन के गट्स का तो पता नहीं, लेकिन एक मीडिया रिपोर्टर ने जरूर थोड़े से गट्स दिखा दिए हैं. So, Trump recently said,
I spoke to one of the former presidents who I actually like. He said, I wish I did what you did.
yes, of course, Trump likes him. That's not Biden for sure.
Talked to another former president
Yeah,
about
I
the
did.
Iran strikes.
I did.
Was it George W. Bush?
No,
Was it Bill Clinton?
I don't want to say.
Yeah, you didn't say that. Well, we all should take a moment to appreciate the effort of the reporter. अगला प्लान शायद Pictionary खेलने का होगा. A man with glasses.
नहीं.
A bald man. Well, all 4 living former presidents issued a statement. हमने तो बात ही नहीं की. But we all agree, mirror conversations in the bathroom are the best. The only living president left after these. Or maybe Trump spent 20 minutes talking to a portrait of Grover Cleveland. Grover, bhai to hi mujhe samajhta hai. And by the way, who said this?
Our president will start a war with Iran because he has absolutely no ability to negotiate. He's weak and he's ineffective. So the only way he figures that he's going to get reelected, and as sure as you're sitting there, is to start a war with Iran.
I think Trump is more humble with male reporters. Okay, not always, but maybe sometimes. Or maybe because she wants to ask about the airstrikes on the Iranian girls' school.
Comment on the 6 dead soldiers, ABC News.
One of the worst, most fake, most corrupt.
give a comment on the
You know what
dead
ABC
soldiers?
News? I think it's maybe the most corrupt news organizations on the planet.
How dare you? I mean, just because of such reporters, Federal Communications Commission के chairman Brendan Carr ने काफी politely Twitter पर लिखा, broadcasters that are running hoaxes and news distortions, also known as fake news, have a chance now to correct course before their license renewals come up. Oh, I'm scared. Scared about my channel? Oh, I'm not in US. Ladies and gentlemen, Brendan Carr simply means to say lying and giving misinformation about how the war is going, ye Trump uncle ka kaam hai. It's not our job.
Did the United States bomb a girls' elementary school in southern Iran on the first day of the war and kill 175 people?
In my opinion, based on what I've seen, that was done by Iran.
Oh, can we cancel his presidential license? Well, after this firm reminder by Brendan Carr, US media decided not to air fake news.
Reporting that the president was just briefed about the new Ayatollah. Sources are saying Ayatollah Jr. might be gay.
Look at the banner. New Ayatollah is probably gay. No wonder US media ranking is 57. Oh, better than us? We are 151. I love the US media, who apparently are now reporting gossips, not fake news.
His father reportedly thought he was too gay to be Iran's supreme leader.
Too gay? I like the implication कि supreme leader को थोड़ा little gay होना चाहिए. Just enough to hate America, but love Lady Gaga. I mean, kudos to Trump's intelligence for this too much information and the US media on how seriously they take such threats and display news like this. Well, the word fake reminded me of something else. क्रेजी भाई, वीडियो इंटरनेट पर भयानक वायरल है. क्रेजी है भाई लोग. मतलब गाइज, इस स्ट्रैटेजी का कोई तथ्य हम ढूंढ नहीं पाए हैं. फेक जेट्स नहीं, फेक न्यूज है ये. पर सैल्यूट टू द क्रिएटर. गाइज, वॉर एंड ऑल में ऐसी बहुत सारी फेक न्यूज़ आती हैं. ऐसी फेक न्यूज़ को काफ़ी फन अंदाज में डिबंक करता है जिंदाबाद अपने शो कॉट एंड 4K में. गो एंड वॉच दैट टू. बट टू द क्रिएटर ऑफ दिस वीडियो, well, Trump's tactical strategy, it's mind-blowing. Like we mentioned above, US hit Kharg Island, but left one little area standing. The pipes. Kyun? Because it's locked and loaded. He's treating the Iranian oil infrastructure like a save for later card on Amazon.
We can do that on 5 minutes' notice.
Just in his next mood swing, 5 minutes, and maybe because he's convinced that the entire world is a Pixar movie.
They showed about 250,000 people in a square saying how much they love Khomeini. Totally AI generated.
Watch the video first. We have taken it from MS Now. ये वीडियो ट्रम्प अंकल को फेक लग रहा है because
Hey, where are the bus? How come nobody's seen the bus? You know why? Because it's AI generated.
rallies are fake because there are no buses. Wow. I mean, wow. But to have the right information on Iran, especially that rally, we sent our very Gen Z reporter on ground, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so for more on the ground truth in Iran, we turn to our senior Middle East correspondent Kritanjali. We can call her Krits. Krits, you are currently on the ground in Tehran, or at least where the president thinks Tehran is. What are you seeing?
Shrish, यहाँ absolute chaos है. I'm standing in the middle of a massive rally, or at least मुझे लगता है कि ये rally है. It's hard to tell because White House के according इसका कोई existence नहीं है.
Wait, what do you mean? We have seen the footage of hundreds of thousands of people in the streets.
Shrish, don't be a sheep. Infrastructure देखो, logistics देखो. I have been here for 6 hours और पता है मैंने क्या नहीं देखा? एक bus, not even a single bus.
A bus?
Yes, Shrish, एक बस 2,50,000 लोग प्रोटेस्ट में कैसे आएंगे विदाउट अ 40-foot डीजल पावर्ड व्हीकल? दे डोंट. इट्स फिजिकली इम्पॉसिबल. अगर यहाँ ग्रे हाउंड नहीं है तो ये पक्का डीफेक है. ओके वेट, लेट मी प्रूव दिस. आई एम करंटली टचिंग अ प्रोटेस्टर राइट नाउ. ओके, मेरा हाथ इसके पार नहीं गया, बट आई एम स्टिल 80% श्योर कि ये कोई हाई एंड इरानियन जीपीयू से बनाया हुआ होलोग्राम.
Krits, that's a person. लोग पैदल चल सकते हैं Krits, उनके पास पैर होते हैं. तेहरान has a subway system. मेट्रो भी है वहाँ.
लेग्स इस इकोनॉमी में? श्रेष्ठ, तुम क्लियरली इस विजिबिलिटी जीरो कैंपेन की विक्टिम हो. ट्रम्प अंकल ने कहा है कि ईरानियंस के पास कोई विजिबिलिटी नहीं है. इम्प्लाइज कि मैं उन्हें नहीं देख सकती और वो मुझे नहीं देख सकते. इट्स लाइक अ जायंट गेम ऑफ पीकबू जहां प्राइस एक B2 बॉम्बर है.
बट Krits, ट्रम्प अंकल ने भी कहा कि वॉर एसेंशियली खत्म हो चुकी है. दैट आज डिफीटेड ईरान टाइम्स 2 और टाइम्स 3. क्या वहां देख के लग रहा है कि ये कंट्री हार चुकी है?
ओह, फुल्ली हार चुकी है. मैंने अभी एक कबाब ऑर्डर करने की कोशिश की और उस बंदे ने कहा कि मीट खत्म हो गया है. दैट्स अ स्ट्रॉन्ग मिलिट्री रिजल्ट राइट देयर. मैंने उससे पूछा क्या तुम्हारी लीडरशिप 2 बार मर चुकी है, और वो बस मुझे घूरता रहा. यू नो व्हाई? बिकॉज ही इज अ फेक AI बॉट. His silence was a glitch in the rendering.
Alright, did you go to the Kharg Island?
Epstein Island? Oh, no.
Not Epstein Island, Krits. Kharg Island, I said.
Oh, yes. Or Shrish, you won't believe the pipes. I went to the Kharg Island to see the pipes Trump uncle saved. They are beautiful. इतने decimatingly beautiful pipes मैंने आज तक नहीं देखे. I'm actually thinking about hiring the US Air Force to remodel my kitchen. They are very precise. They'll blow up your fridge but keep the ice maker locked and loaded. Creds everyone, reporting live from somewhere that may or may not exist.
Alright guys, that was my time. How did you like the video? If you like the video, hit the bell icon, subscribe to the channel, comment down, share as much as you can do, and keep watching Zingabad.